Okay, I'm going to try and show you the bend in the output shaft now. If you watch the gap between the plastic cup and the motor itself, you'll see it's wide now, and then now it's getting smaller, and it's about at its smallest, and then it starts to get wider again. There you go, now you can see it's wide again, and now you can see there it is, getting small again, and then the gap's getting wide again. This indicates that the top shaft, as you can see, this is the top shaft on the mini router. I'll do it again here from a distance where it's a little bit more in focus. You can see, watch the gap, small, big. Now, it might not seem very much, but this is a high precision device, and this output shaft is directly connected to the shaft of the router. When the router is spinning at speed, this bend in this shaft up here, if I take this cap off, it's a secondary output shaft, it's not actually used, but that bend in that shaft, A, is a manufacturing defect. This shouldn't have shipped from the factory like that, and I can't believe that nobody spotted it, given the fact that this is a highly accurate CNC device. But, just basically look at that. You see the gap, small, getting big again. Now, it might not seem like very much, but, on a device like this, when you've got that shaft rotating at thousands of RPM a second, it's not going to do the motor any good, and it's not going to do the output from the router any good, especially if we're trying to route very, very detailed PCBs and the kind of things that this system is designed to do. So A, it's a brand new device, and it's taken some substantial force to bend that. It should have been noted, and it wasn't. So you can understand that I'm not particularly happy about buying a brand new router and having this kind of defect with it. So if we get this repaired, i.e., I'm quite happy for you to send me a replacement router motor, but it will have to be sent express delivery, and if I don't get some kind of satisfaction for this by the end of this week, I'll be putting in a complaint to eBay and PayPal, requesting a full refund and shipping this back to your UK warehouse. You might not think this is very much, but given the kind of machinery that this is, and let's bear in mind that this is a CNC router capable of machining PCBs with surface mount components, which is one of the uses that we'll be putting it to when you're dealing with kind of microns. The kind of vibration that this could introduce, A, is going to shorten the lifespan of the motor, and B, it's kind of concerning that it's happened already, because it means that that shaft has been hit very, very hard. It's a good 6 to 8 mil, that shaft, so it's been hit very hard. I'm not very impressed. So there you go, wide gap, narrow gap. This is the final evidence that I can provide. I will not be providing any more evidence. I'm going to upload this video now. Thank you.